Fifth graders, what's going on? Professor Berkman here. How you doing? All right, happy weekend. So I'm going to be starting a new little segment for you. This is not a task for you. You're not going to get graded on this. This is something strictly to help you, maybe help you organize your ideas so that you know what's coming on. It is going to be called your science forecast. You know, kind of like there's a weather forecast, what the weather's going to be like, a little snippet of what the weather's going to be like for the week, right? This is your science forecast, a little snippet of what's going to be coming up this week in science, as well as some of your tasks I'm going to ask you to do in your journal. All right, so we're going to be starting working on concentration, the concentration of liquids and how you can dilute them and all that. So we're going to be working with your powder, the powder in your bag, lemon, as well as salt, if we're able to get to that part of the investigation. All right, so in our journals, I'm going to ask you to take notes and describe. So you're going to have 4 different solutions, right? You're going to select solution 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to ask you to make note of what you observe. What is the same? What is different about the solutions? What is different about the color? You know, how do they taste? All right, so you're going to draw and as well as write some descriptions in your journal, taking note of it. All right, and then on the back, and then we're going to discuss about it. We're going to come to some conclusion. All right, and then I'm going to ask you to write a few more responses to help me understand and assess if we understand what took place and the phenomena and how we can explain it. All right, so then I'm going to ask you to describe which solution or cup was more concentrated, solution 3 or solution 4, and I want you to explain why. How did you know? And then how can you make your cup of lemonade taste less sweet, and what is that process called? So you're going to do all these notes. You're going to write all these answers in your journal. Again, at the end of the week, I'm going to ask you to upload pictures from these so I can see. All right, don't make them blur. Don't hold them this far. Don't hold them super far away. I can't read. All right, we want to get pictures that are really up close so I can see. All right, and then if we have time, we're going to do it with salt concentration. It's going to be the same thing. What do we notice about the salt? And answering, how can you find out if more salt has been in solution 2 or solution 3 as far as concentration? All right, so again, science forecast, your weekly science forecast, what you can expect is going to be happening in science this week, as well as what I'm going to be asking of you to upload at the end of the week. This is just meant to be helpful. You can watch it. You don't have to watch it, but it is intended to help you, so you don't have to ask me, oh, Mr. Bergman, what are you asking us to do? You can watch this video. You can see what has been asked of you. All right, I believe in you. I will see you in class.